Hey, we're back in the kitchen with Jud. Real quickie here. I just made up a sandwich that I just thought I'd share with you. I got some of this. This is Johnsonville flame grilled chicken breast. And it comes out in individually wrapped packets. This is gluten free. Throw it in the microwave for 1 minute. Then I had a couple of gluten free English muffins left. So I cook them up. I do them in the microwave for a minute, then put them in the toaster oven for 2.5. That one I did for another 2.5 because it wasn't cooked. The gluten free breads tend to be undercooked. So you want to throw them in a little bit longer. And I took the bottom half of the English muffin and I put some hummus on it. Hummus is really, really good with steak. I think it's good with chicken. I hope it's good with chicken. So then I got the chicken patty on there. I put on some sour cream. I happen to have a bag salad. So I got to put on some lettuce. And that's going to be dinner. And I think this is going to be good. Ooh-wee, is that good. Look at that, baby. Fantastic. The hummus does work with all this beautifully. Hummus is a good thing. Happy day.